without an iota of fear in her voice. That's heart and that's courage, and how they are able to live in the conditions that they're living in. I saw a little girl, and she tugs at my heart each time I see her, telling the world through the camera that you don't even need to send us food. When we are hungry, we will eat our blessed soil. Like such independence and such courage and such resilience and such articulation. Because I teach, and we try to teach our kids to string a sentence together, and they do well, but there's a lot of teaching that needs to go in there. But these ones have taught us all the qualities that we thought was lost, and all the qualities that should be aspired to. Courage and bravery and resilience and patience and steadfastness, and at the other end they expose the whole world for their lack of qualities, like big politicians with shiny suits, who their inhumanity became very apparent on the screen. All their talk of